In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make Cash App stop declining payments. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Usually, payments on Cash App should be instantaneous both for sending money and receiving money. However, sometimes you might get a prompt telling you that the payment was canceled due to unknown reasons. As you can see on the screen, on the official Cash App website, on the support page, they say that to reduce the risk of payments being canceled, you should only link debit or credit cards that are in your name, so don't link credit or debit cards from other people who aren't you. Only send or receive payments from people you know or reputable business, so make sure they are a contact of yours. Confirm the recipient's phone number or the tag before sending a payment in order to ensure that you're not sending it to the wrong person, and frequently use the Cash App to build a healthy transaction history. All of these combined should ensure that your payments are never canceled due to unknown reasons. If you encounter a payment being canceled for no specified reason, you probably aren't adhering to one of these guidelines. Make sure you always respect these guidelines and use your Cash App account accordingly, always being mindful of these risks. If you still believe the payment should be going through and that your payment history is reputable and that your account should be working, you can also contact customer support by going to this page and selecting Contact Support, or by simply going to cash.app/contact. In here, you can contact support and they will be able to help you with a specified payment you are having trouble with. I hope I was able to help you on how to make Cash App stop declining your payments. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.